For our bow tie questions, we are going to start in the center and then move left to right. So as always, what is our potential condition? Go through the stem, read all of the information, and pick out those most important cues. The classic triad you should be picking up on here is that we have an infant with sudden intermittent abdominal pain. They are drawing their legs up towards their abdomen, and we have this red currant jelly stool. All three of those things put together, your alarm bells should be going off for intussusception. Pyloric stenosis, Hirschsprung, other GI disorders meant to confuse you there, but they're going to have very different symptoms. And viral hepatitis is just there as a distractor. So you should narrow in on intussusception for the center. And now, what actions do you take? I want to find something that A, diagnoses the problem, and then B, prevents major complications. With intussusception, we have that bowel that is telescoping inside of each other, and my biggest fear is obstruction. So to prevent that obstruction, I need to make that child NPO. To diagnose the intussusception, I need to do an abdominal ultrasound. These other actions really have nothing to do with intussusception and are not going to help us either diagnose or treat the problem. So now move to your right and say, based on intussusception and the actions that I took, what do I need to keep my eye on? We already said one of the biggest complications is obstruction, and that's why we placed them NPO. So I need to keep an eye on their bowel patterns. And because they're NPO, they're not able to hydrate and having these abdominal issues. Secondly, we need to keep an eye on hydration status. So there you have it. Start center, what's going on based on my cues. How do I diagnose and take action to treat that problem? And then what do I keep an eye on?